Did you know that the future of high-protein supplements doesn't come from animals or plants, but from mealworms raised using scientific farming methods? In this video, you'll see how mealworms move from farm to factory and are transformed into clean, high-quality, and reliable protein.
High-quality protein begins here, where mealworms are farmed under controlled conditions to maximize nutrition and consistency.
These mealworms provide a rich, natural source of protein used in modern fitness and nutrition supplements.
Workers carefully feed and manage the insects to support healthy growth and consistent protein quality. Once mature, the mealworms are carefully prepared for transport to preserve freshness and quality. Low-stress handling preserves freshness and prevents protein degradation before processing. Temperature-controlled transport protects protein quality from farm to factory. The processing facility is designed to maintain food safety and protein integrity at industrial scale. Thorough cleaning prepares the mealworms for safe processing into high-quality protein powder. Immediately removing surface moisture protects the farmed protein structure before thermal processing begins.
Controlled blanching sterilizes the farmed mealworms while preserving their naturally developed protein content.
Rapid cooling halts heat exposure, locking in protein quality achieved during farming.
Visual inspections confirm that farm-grown uniformity carries through processing. Gradual dehydration removes moisture without damaging the protein developed during farming.
Balanced drying concentrates farm-raised protein while preserving essential amino acids.
Properly dried mealworms provide a stable base for protein conversion. Grinding transforms the farmed insects into a usable protein powder format.
Particle refinement ensures uniform texture and even protein distribution.
Sampling confirms that farm-grown protein meets strict quality standards after processing.
Sealed transfer systems protect the farm-developed protein from contamination and moisture.
Environmental monitoring ensures the protein remains as stable as it was at harvest.
Finishing begins by protecting the finely processed mealworm protein from light, air, and moisture.
Because mealworm protein is naturally sensitive to oxidation, controlled handling is essential. Uniformity reflects how evenly the mealworms were farmed and processed. Mealworm protein must remain stable to deliver reliable nutritional performance. These final checks ensure the mealworm's nutritional value is fully preserved.
Consistency at this stage reflects the controlled diet and growth cycle of the mealworms.
Protein stability confirms that the mealworms were harvested at optimal maturity.
Color and texture reveal how well the mealworms were raised and processed.
Only protein that meets strict standards moves forward to packaging.
These results confirm the mealworm's nutritional value has been fully preserved. Laboratory testing verifies the protein strength developed during controlled mealworm farming.
Moisture analysis confirms the mealworms were dried at the correct stage of maturity. Microbial testing ensures hygienic farming and processing from start to finish. Protein composition confirms the nutritional value of the farmed mealworms.
Final approval signals the mealworm protein is ready for packaging.
Packaging begins with precise filling to protect the nutritional value of mealworm protein.
Packaging begins with precise filling to protect the nutritional value of mealworm protein.
Airtight sealing prevents moisture and oxygen from affecting the protein.
Clear branding identifies a protein source rooted in carefully farmed mealworms.
Final checks confirm packaging preserves the mealworm's nutritional integrity. Proper packaging completes the transformation from farmed mealworms to finished protein.
The finished product reflects every stage of careful mealworm farming and processing. Uniform texture shows how evenly the mealworms were grown and refined.
Protein stability begins with stress-free mealworm farming.
Careful storage protects the protein quality developed during mealworm farming.
Stable temperature and humidity
preserve sensitive mealworm protein. Traceability connects each package back to its farming origin. Proper handling prevents damage to the finely milled protein.
From farm to market, the container remains unchanged.
The final product delivers protein exactly as it was designed.
Consistent nutrition supports active routines built on reliable protein.
If you enjoyed this factory journey, like the video, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing stories, and share it with anyone curious about the future of nutrition.